Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden center. In today's video you can see we are back in B&M. Had some new stock come in which we'll take a look at in a second here. First, just wanted to show you the discount aisle, which I don't always show, but it's definitely worth checking out. I mean, you can see here we've got some of the bougainvillea that was at £15, still in flower, looking pretty healthy, marked down to just £7.50. Quite a few other summer bedding plants and things like that. You can see here down to 50p from £3.50. Again, you really can't go wrong. I mean, it's worth checking the health. Of course, some plants like this one aren't going to look as good as the one next to it, but always worth trying to find the bargains in here. Got some more of the shrubs marked down. Again, down here, the lupins. So these are perennials. With these coming in at just £1.75, you can grab quite a good bargain on these, as obviously it's going to come back every year. Might not got a great show this year, but you know, of course that's going to keep going year after year. Got the wax flowers marked down. Only looks to be just out of flowers, the only thing different on those. And even in a Cuba here for just £2. Some great bargains. But as we came to check out some of the new stuff, I did spot these dahlias, just £5. And you can see, I mean, I don't think the camera really picks it up as much as it really shows, but such a vibrant color. I mean, these flowers just really pop. Definitely one for £5, so you can't really argue on that. Good bargain. You see they got a good selection of them here as well. I'm not going to show you all the other sort of standard bedding that we've seen before. We'll just kind of skip to some of the new plants. Some more of the £100 olives here. Once again, these are always looking pretty good, and you can get these pretty much anywhere now, it seems. But great little plants if you're after any. More of the standard bedding, as you can see here, and again, I'm not going to go over the kind of just general garden bedding. We've seen a lot of this before. But as we come down the aisle, I did see we have some of the new climbers in. You can see here the Raymond Evis, this is a clematis, very good looking plant, and you can see the flower on it. Fantastic. I mean, great size, great shape, really vibrant plant. Really can't go wrong on those there. Got some more of the trailing plants below. Did also see we have this row of sort of summer bedding lilies. So this is your kind of calla lily. You can see here £6.50. Great little bedding plant, and again, really nice kind of color pop that you can just kind of whack in the ground. I think these go great around sort of water features and things like that as well. Got another climber here, which you can just see. We've got the passiflora, so fantastic sort of passion flower. Down here, £6.50. Really kind of good sized plant. You can see it's already decently up the pole, probably nearly 3 foot tall on that one. Above here, we've got another one of the climbers. So this is your Trachospermum. Sorry, no, this is one of the honeysuckles. Misread the label on that one. We did see the Trachospermum, which is behind it. Again, lovely little plant here. Really can't go wrong here. Coming down, we've got some of the decent sized wisteria in. So it's your Amethyst Falls for just £18.50. These look like they've probably been in the pot for some time, and decent growth already kind of on the trellis here. A few flowers sort of already on show, giving you an idea of kind of what you can get on that. Great little plant, definitely one worth having a look at. £8.50, we got the Trachospermum jasminoides, another great little climber, great interest, and once again, nice little flower on that side. And I believe with this one it should be evergreen. If you do grow it, please put it in the comments below if that is the case. Not one that I grow yet, but you may take a look at. Some of the veg in, pretty good deal on these. I mean, £8.50, you're getting a decent sized plant, and of course that should put out some more chilies, so an interesting way of kind of getting veg, and that may become more of a kind of popular trend alongside your tropicals. Decent new alpine in, 4 for £10. You could just see the great color pops you get on these. Some more alpines up here. Again, lovely options. Got some in flower already, which you can see, showing you the kind of different color variations you can get with these. Find these are great, sort of the rockeries and things like that. Coming down here, we do have some new grasses in, as well as these. I did end up picking up a couple of these in the end. I found they're quite cool little plants. So this is your Primula. 3 for £6, which is a great deal. This is the Viali. You can see the flower on this. It's kind of hard to pick it up, you know, looking up, but really great little flower cones. And this should be a perennial once again. And 3 for £6, really can't go wrong on that. Next, we've got some of the Scripus carnis, £6.50. Nice little shape on that. Some of the Acorus grasses, again, £6.50. You can see decent sized pots of these. Kind of filled the pot already. And once again, kind of plant into the ground. This should be hardy as well for you. Looking down, we've got a couple of the ferns in, which you can see. We've got some of the standard. This is Polysticum Henerausum. Probably definitely mispronounced that. £6.50. Not one I've seen in. We've got the Cleanthus lanosa. Now this one I did pick up at a different garden center, but nice to see. See, it's a different style of fern frond on there. And also nice to see the Polysticum susamensis, or the Korean rock fern. Lovely little fern on that. Really nice pronounced kind of fern fronds. Next to that, you can just see down here some nice sized pots of the hostas. And again with these, £18.50, decent ones. I mean, this could be like a patio plant. You know, great, just stick it straight out of the patio and away you go. Obviously with hostas, the one thing that we do tend to find is the slugs, of course. But with that said, of course, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.